Versa, alas, is back once again. Nandito po tayo sa Kensa Fashion Boutique. Nandun lang po ang Agora San Juan and Domingo Street, Kensa Fashion Boutique, new arrival. Versa, alas in, naka new arrival, Kensa Fashion Boutique, San Juan and Domingo. Alas in, Nike Kevin Durant, size 10, price 12. Nike Kevin Durant. Adidas Boost, size 8.5, price 12. Adidas Boost. Reebok, size 9.5, price 800. Reebok, new arrival, okay. Skechers, size 8, price 12. Skechers, new arrival, okay. Ma'am, sir, ito po yung new arrival nila. Mga damit, bag, new arrival. O, konti na lang po yan. New arrival, bag. Sir, ito po yung new arrival mga damit. Tsaka ito po, new arrival. Ma'am, sir, ito pa rin yung new arrival, damit. Tsaka pants. Ma'am, sir, ito po yung new arrival mga damit. Sir, short, new arrival. Nike SB, price 5,000, size 10. Nike SB, new arrival, okay. Nike SB. Adidas, size 8.5, price 800. Adidas. Puma shoes, size 4, price 800. Puma. Converse, size 8.5, price 800. Converse, new arrival, okay. Anta shoes, size 8, price 12. Anta, new arrival, okay. Nike, size 8.5, price 800. Nike Air Max Bubble, size 6, price 12. Nike Air Max Bubble, new arrival, okay. Vans shoes, size 8, price 800. Vans shoes, new arrival, okay. Timberland shoes, size 8.5, price 900. Timberland, new arrival, okay. Nike Vapor Max, size 7, price 12. Nike Vapor Max, off-white, low. Converse shoes, price 900, size 4.5. Converse, new arrival, okay. Ma'am, sir, update ko po to, naka 50% na po yan. Papakita ni Alas. Adidas equipment, size 8.5, price 300 na lang. Nakales na po yun, 300. Hoka shoes, price 300, size 8.5. Hoka Nakales na po yan, 300 only. Puka, shoes, Adidas, Boost, size 4. Price 300. Adidas, Boost, Nike, Michael Jordan. Price 600. Nike, Michael Jordan Low. Ma'am, sir, ito po yung new arrival bag. New arrival bag. Maraming pagpipilian. Ma'am, sir, ito po. Bag. New arrival. Dito lang po yan sa may N Domingo, San Juan. New arrival bag. Maraming pagpipilian, pang school. New arrival bag. New arrival bag. Persa, Alas. Welcome, Kensa Fashion Boutique. New arrival, San Juan N Domingo. Hanggang dito na lang si Alas. Alas, back to back. Thank you.